Okay mga kamads, mga kaibigan, welcome back to another content about doon sa nangyari kay Gabriel Go, JVR Sito, at with matching si former MMDA chairman yata, si Nebriha. Diba? So, okay, so tandaan lang natin for all your context, si Mr. Gabriel Go po ay siya yung siya yung head ng MMDA Special Operation Group Strike Force. Sila yung tumitingin sa alam mo yung sa kalsada, sila yun eh. So yun yung pinaka trabaho nila. Now, I did a little bit of research about dito and nakita ko talaga na mukhang may gripes itong si JV Ejercito dito kay Gabriel Go. Pero i-update ko lang din kayo sa mga happening since kahapon. Okay, so ito muna yung papanoorin natin. Babasahin ko lang yung caption kasi it's very important. Who gave you the license or authority to do this, Gabriel Go? To act this way? San ba nanggaling itong napakayabang ata? Overbearing and disrespectful to the police officer at that. Tinikita naman yung police, tama na yun. No one is above the law. Pero para ipahiya pa, ano to, for the views? Dapat nag-vlogger ka na lang, boy. Oy. Well, karapatan naman yan ni Senator JV. But ang sinasabi ko lang talaga, I do believe na it's too tacky. Ibig sabihin, edi ano mo na lang. Well, siguro kasi nangongol out si Gabriel Go. So, yun din yung ginagawa niya. I don't know if it's effective. MMDA Chairman and Artes, please discipline your officials. Panoorin natin.
Nire-respeto kayo, binibigyan kayo ng chance para hindi kayo makompromiso, ayaw niyo makinig. Tapos dadating tao, sasabihin ko, tinikita mo?
Okay, pasensya na sir ha. Pasensya na po. Ipapasok ko na lang po. Pero,
Hindi mo muna yung ticket, hindi maganda yung approach mo, hindi ko gusto.
Sorry po.
Yung offense na nagawa ni Mr. Go sa PNP, talagang medyo malalim ang tama. Kasi he was berating a police officer, a commissioned officer at that, meaning isang may ranggo, police captain yung kanilang pinapagalitan at pinapahiya.
Well, ang gusto kong marinig dito yung side ni Gabriel Go. Kasi of course, there are always two sides of the story. If sa tingin ko naman, he is in the authority para pagalitan ng isang tao, sa tingin ko pwede niyang gawin yun. Like for example, ako, nag-violation ako. Tapos sinabihan ako ng police, ikaw, next time, wag mong gagawin yan para hindi ka matikitan. I would accept the punishment or yung pagsabi niya sa akin ng criticism na yon. Okay, so but again, this is the chairman of the MMDA. So this is quite heavy. Okay, so this was posted on March 30 bago pa yung pinost ni Senator JV kahapon. If you do not know kung ano yung pinost niya kahapon, please watch my video yesterday. Okay, kasi nandun yung buong context nun. Panoorin na natin ulit.
Yung offense is made against, not just against Captain Felipe, who is a very good officer, but also against the 225,000 strong members of the Philippine National Police.
Okay, so I think that's good enough. Panoorin nyo na lang to kasi pinost naman to ni Senator JV. Now, let's go here mga kamads, mga kaibigan. This was posted 4 hours ago. Ngayon lang to. Pero bago yon, I just want you to take note na kahapon din nakausap na ni Senator JV yung MMDA chair who was committed to take disciplinary action against Gabriel Go. Maraming salamat, Chairman Artes. We need to discipline our officer to make sure we do not go overboard next time. Kasi nga, ang style kasi ni Gabriel Go ngayon, yung parang the best version ng hindi naman the best, siguro improved version nung kay Nebriha. Kasi si Nebriha nung araw, ganyan-ganyan din yung style niya. Mas may, alam mo yun, mas perfected na yung galaw. Parang ganon yung, pag pinanonood ko si Gabriel Go eh. I'm saying that as a vlogger or as someone who does social media. Parang, sa social media kasi habang tumatagal ka, napopolish kung paano ka magsalita, kung paano ka mag-deliver ng lines, kung paano ka mag-edit and all of that. Ganun yung nangyayari kay Gabriel Go. Kaya it's very entertaining to watch him. Kaso nga lang talaga, of course, may mga rights tayo na ina-allege ni Senator JV na nalalabag nitong si Gabriel Go. That's why kinall out niya. Now, again, another update dito sa case na to. Yung pinost ni Senator JV, deleted na. Eto, babasahin ko kasi may nag-repost. Why did you post and delete your post about Gabriel Go about his sexual harassment case? Is there something wrong in the terms of information or was it not true? Ayan. Eto, tinanggal niya. Na-cover natin yan. Again, the context is in yesterday's video. Please watch it kung gusto nyo yung full context nito. Okay, so tingnan natin yung sagot ni Sen JV. Action taken already by MMDA chairman. Diyan ako hindi ko gusto. Kasi it seems to me na parang ginamit itong leverage against a administrative matter. Kasi yung pagrereklamo kay Gabriel Go is an administrative matter. This is quite personal, di ba? Ano bang natutunan natin dun sa matandang Duterte? I mean, guilt is personal, di ba? Ibig sabihin, if you are going to face trial, it has to be personal. This is a personal matter between the complainant, yung nag-a-allege sa kanya na may ginawa siyang hindi kaaya, and the respondent. The respondent is Gabriel Go. In that light, mga kamatis, mga kaibigan, I do believe na this is a bad argument to use against Gabriel Go kung may problema pala sa trabaho si Gabriel Go. Kasi hindi natin alam kung kung yung veracity nito kasi hindi pa naman nagdidesisyon ng korte. This is a complaint affidavit, mga kamatis, mga kaibigan. Let me just remind everyone that a complaint affidavit is not a hindi yun nagsisignify ng kahit ano. It does not signify guilt. The only way na guilty siya is if hahatulan siya ng korte if guilty or not. Sa ngayon wala pa That's the point here, mga kamatis, mga kaibigan. Now, ngayon dinilit to ni JVRC to kaso hindi maganda yung, in my opinion, hindi maganda yung yung argument niya. Action taken already by MMDA chairman. So ganun pala you will hit a person personally bago may action yung office. It's mind-boggling para sa akin. Sinasabi ko lang, maganda sana kung yung arguments ni Senator JV was predicated dito sa mga ginagawa ni Gabriel Go. I could respect that Gets nyo? Pero doon sa ginawa niya kahapon, medyo tagilid kasi personal siya gets nyo. Now, kung bakit nag-resign si Gabriel Go, it may be on a different personal matter as well. Hindi naman kasi in-indicate doon sa resignation kung bakit siya nag-resign Was it about the sexual harassment? Maybe nagkasakit siya or maybe may sakit yung isa sa kapamilya niya or maybe nagkaroon sila ng financial trouble or maybe gusto niya lang magkaroon ng sabbatical. There are a million ways why people resign in their position. You cannot just pinpoint just because may na-issue na ganun. Bumalik. So bakit bumalik? Di ibig sabihin, yung idea of the case was really not on solid grounds kasi bumalik siya ngayon siya pa yung pinag-uusapan, di ba? Again, this is not to defend si Gabriel Go. I'm just saying, be fair sa mga inaakusahan natin sa internet. They also have rights. You also have rights. Especially if you are a sitting senator, di ba? Okay, sana kung ganito niya pinredicate yung buong argument niya, I would applaud him. Tapang mo, idol, Kasi Gabriel Go is one of the most beloved ngayon ng mga TikTokers. Ako not so much. He is very entertaining. Yun lang yung masasabi ko. Para siyang, yun nga, better version ni Bong Nebriha pagdating sa sa yung panggaganyan pero nakikita ko sa comment section yung iba sa inyo ayaw kasi nga napapahiya. Some of you are saying, "Oy, yung yung privacy ng tao." I mean, that's a good point, 'di ba? Yung iba naman, hindi, tama lang yan doon sa mga kamote. So hati ang Pilipino dito. Tuloy na natin tong video na to bago tayo pumunta dun sa mainit na comment section ni Bong Nebriha.
Dito sa may umpisa, sa may Shell, sa kabilang side ng Shell.
Sige.
Bakit ngayon lang lumabas? Yung battery ko, ayan ang battery supply. Kasi yung battery ko, walang nag-shut down. Naglo ko namatay. Pinunta ko ito.
Anong battery?
Tinulungan ko.
Kung stalled po yan, hindi umaandar. Pasok din po yan sa stalled. Towable din po yan.
Bakit lang sumakbo ko sa kabila kahit tawag.
Hindi po.
So it seems to me na ang problema dito is yung sa battery, di ba? So dahil dyan may violation si tatay. Na yun, a touch of humanity in consideration in public service and enforcement will be understood and appreciated. So gumagamit siya ng appeal to emotion. If someone is wrong, then someone is wrong. Gusto mo talagang matanggal si Gabriel Go katulad ng ginawa kay Bong Nebriha. At basahin natin to. Malayo kay kay Colonel Edison Bong Nebriha may stature at alam niya ginagawa niya. Okay. So talagang mainit. Mainit talaga. I mean, I wouldn't fuck around kay Senator JB. Apart from what I see on media, di ba? With all due respect, sir, sa ganyang pamaraan, sa umaabuso sa touch of humanity consideration, paano po yung gagamitan lang dito para makalusot sa process? Di mo ba laws apply to all? Nakita nyo naman na hindi sinasadya ng matanda dahil nga tumirik. Kumapalag si Senator. Okay. So, I mean, whatever his gripes is kay Gabriel, that's between him and Gabriel. Okay. Ang sakit naman sa puso ng panood ng ganito. Okay. Nakakaawa si Manong. Ayun. So, ayun nga, nakuha nila yung appeal to sympathy or appeal to emotions. Now, pumunta naman tayo dito kasi nga, ayan na nga, natanggal na hindi naman, na magkakaroon ng disciplinary action kay Gabriel Go. Whatever that is, hindi natin alam, susundan natin yung balita. Now, this is what I call, parang sa akin, ito yung pinaka mysterious, to say the least. It's very mysterious. Mahirap madamay, wala ako dyan, okay? Never compare Sir Bongo to that Ogags. Is this the issue between Sen JV with Gabriel about his interaction with the policeman at Anonas substation where Gabriel told the officer several times, "I don't like your approach." Okay. Yes, partly ang daming ng video surfacing. Kaya nga kasi nga yung style ni Nebriha nung araw, ang gumagawa ngayon si Gabriel Go. And siguro mas tama yung mas intense. Okay, sige, doon natin ilagay. Tuloy natin. Kasi meron siya ito. Correct, mentor, mag-mentor ka na lang mag-mentor saka D-group, ano ibig sabihin? That's life. I don't understand that. Ito. Meron dito yung sa Viva Max na sinabi. Unfollow sa'yo, sir. Doon tayo sa original. Okay, ito. Agila-agilahan lang para makuha ng connection tapos wala na. Okay. Baka maunahan ka pa sa party lead. That's the goal. Oh! Patay na daw po yung isang binaril na rider. Wala na pong post si Edison Libre. Ano ba yan? Hindi. Ito yung sa ano. Well, meron ditong isa na medyo, ano yung sa Viva Max, meron ako nakita dito Ewan ko kung nakita nyo dyan Teka. Wala na, delete na yata I was there, nadamay pa yung affidavit sa Kuya ba. Yung nga, siya yung commander ng that time Well, that's life mga kamats, mga kaibigan. Is it partly political? I don't know. I cannot tell you to say the least. Kasi napaka nito well, in my opinion napaka-random niya Kasi si JVR to, mataas yan na posisyon sa gobyerno Ito namang si Gabriel Go. Well, mataas yung position niya within the MMDA but he is not even the chairman. So, alam niyo yun. Kayo ang bahalang mag-decide kung ano sa tingin. Basta ako, kung ginagawa mo naman yung trabaho mo at nananaway ka ng karapat-dapat, then you should be applauded. Pero, again, if there is something personal talaga, then just take it personal. I-personal nyo na rin Hindi, labas na kami dyan. Anyway, mga kaibigan, yun lang naman yung update ko sa inyo for today. Abangan natin ang susunod na kabanata. Gege mga